technology that helps you be more productive. RescueTime. This is an app that you can use in order to monitor just how much time you spend on each task during the day. Once you see where your time is being spent, you can adjust according to your specific goals. To-do list is an app allows you to create lists with your voice. It integrates very well with other powerful apps and tools. An Apple Watch is a surprisingly powerful tool for productivity. It allows you to get notifications on your wrist, meaning your phone can stay firmly in your pocket. It will even let you add Toto items and more to your wrist, making sure that they are always easily accessible. Notion has been described by some as a second brain. It is an extremely powerful note-taking app that lets you create web pages, tables, lists, embedded images and videos, and much more. It's extremely flexible and easy to use, and essentially it can adapt to however you wish to use it. Freedom is an app that will allow you to block specific apps and websites on your computer. This is powerful stuff for those who find themselves distracted by Facebook or other websites when they're meant to be working. Thanks for watching. We hope you can use these tools to become more productive. Please like and subscribe.